dare to be different. The arise of a new generation. Come on, somebody. So we are the morning of the conference. I'm going right now because I'm writing exams. So hello guys, so we are the morning of the conference. I'm going right now because I'm writing exams, going to pass my test. And you guys, we are like already probably 8:30 something, 4:50, and my test is in 12 minutes, but it's okay, it's not far from building. Dare to be different, come to the conference. It's happening today. So how do I feel? Y'all, I first of all want to get that exams done. It's just gonna be like an hour or two, and then I have to do some final touches, prepare again. I have to go to the hospital, and then oh lord, I have a lot of things to do before the conference. Then the conference is starting in exactly 6 hours. In exactly 6 hours we're gonna be starting the conference, so a lot can happen in 6 hours. But today, I have a normal outfit, nothing complicated. Hey, let us go. I'm not sure I'll be able to vlog everything though, but because, y'all, it's not easy. Water bottle with me. Tell me why I'm holding this, but I'm not wearing it. Literally, but anyways, goodbye, y'all. Hello guys, this is the final meeting for the conference.
Yeah.
What do you have to say? Everybody will speak.
We're really excited about it. We're waiting for it. Really waiting.
Okay.
And waiting you there, of course.
But it will be posted after the conference.
Oh my god. Pity you weren't there. You missed it.
Okay.
Of course.
Arina, do you?
I'm a little bit nervous, but I think that everything will be okay.
Okay.
Not okay.
Excellent. Great.
Great. Отлично. Super. Пока. Спасибо за всем. Okay. Hey fam, Zuli here with Maria. So this is the day. This is the D-Day, y'all. We are going to the conference hall. A little bit late, but yeah, it's live, okay? But not like the event is going to start. The event is starting in like 40 minutes. So we have to go there and prep the hall and do all the other things. So I'm taking you guys along with me. Let's go. Dare to be different. Come to the dare to be different. Come to the conference. Let's go. Hello everyone. Hello. So we have our countdown. And in 2 minutes you're starting. 9, 8, 7, let's go!
6, 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
Welcome to the Dare to Be Different Youth Conference, everybody! I want some more joyful noise, please!
Давай, дайте шум нашей конференции.
So I want you to tell your neighbor, dare to be different. If your neighbor is shy, change neighbor.
Скажите своему соседу, осмелься быть другим.
This is not just some random words.
Это не просто рандомные слова.
This is words that carry deep meaning.
Это имеет очень глубокое значение.
Because our world today needs a difference. Do you agree?
Yes. Потому что мы должны делать разницу. Все согласны?
So tell your neighbor, neighbor, you are about to make a difference. Dasha, you are about to make a difference.
Ты рожден, чтобы делать разницу.
Я желаю хорошего мероприятия, хорошего настроения, и да пребудет с нами сила. I wish you good mood, good time here, and strength us.
May the force be with us.
May the force be with us. Oh, may the force be with us. Спасибо. Хорошего мероприятия. Have a nice
Помните эти 3 слова, которые я сказал?
If you remember these 3 words I just said,
Поворачивай к твоему соседу.
turn to your neighbor,
Скажи, сосед,
tell your neighbor,
ты особенный,
you are special,
ты уникальный,
you are unique,
и ты неповторимый.
and you have no duplicate.
Я смотрю на вас, смотри, я смотрю.